A very good morning, friends. Welcome to chapter 13. Today is 27th October 2023. Right now, we are enjoying our breakfast at Grand President. Today, we have a plan to walk down to Terminal 21 Mall, which is in Soi 19. We are in Soi 11, so it's a walkable distance. But today, we're going to use a different route. We're going to walk back to the end of Soi 11 and take the next Soi, which is quieter, to Terminal 21 Mall. Previously, we gave you a walking tour till level 2 of Terminal 21 Mall, which gave you a good idea. But today we're going to start from level 3 and we're going to walk up to level 5 where you have the food court. The food court at Terminal 21 Mall is excellent and it's got a wide varieties, as well as the price is very reasonable. That's one of my favorite food court in Bangkok. So if you're staying in Sukhumvit area, this is a mall you should explore. This is going to be a very interesting video for you all. We request you to watch this video till the end. Please make your comments in the comment section. If you like a video, please click the like button and share this video with your friends, particularly your friends who are planning to visit Bangkok in the near future. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to our channel right away. You're going to get all the updates, all the notifications on our future videos. We would like to thank you for watching this video. Please watch this video till the end. Thank you once again. Friends, now we have reached the Terminal 21 Mall. You can see the Asoke BTS station out here. So be ready for the walking tour from level 3 to level 5. We would like to thank you for being with us. Watch this video till the end. Thank you once again. Friends, if you're staying in the Sukhumvit area and if your hotel do not have a breakfast including the room tariff, no need to worry. Visit Terminal 21 Mall, level 5. If you explore the food court, I am very sure you're going to get a good brunch starting in the range of 100 to 120 Thai baht. This is really a place worth checking out. It's real value for money. Now we've come to the end of this chapter, chapter 13. We're gonna see you in the next chapter, chapter 14, which is again going to be another interesting chapter. We request you to like and share a video with your friends. In case you're not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel right away. This will keep us motivated and help us to create more videos for you and your friends. Thank you. Thank you once again.